Welcome to Government e-Marketplace.
I am Neeraj Kumar, Executive Director, Head Purchase ONGC, responsible for procurement of centralized items in ONGC. Government e-Marketplace is a great initiative from Government of India. It is leading to a remarkable change in landscape of public procurement in India. It is a technology-driven platform with an end-to-end contactless and paperless procurement system. We firmly believe that it is an important step in achieving government's vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat by bringing all the stakeholders in public procurement space to a universal platform. We at ONGC are committed to the call of our CMD, who has given a clear mandate to use GEM portal and help increase its functionality given the transparency and speed of execution that it brings. ONGC's journey with GEM started in 2018. There were obviously initial hiccups and teething troubles, but thanks to the guidance of our top management, our board of directors, our chief of materials management, and never say die attitude of ONGCN, along with the continued support of GEM official, we overcame it, and today we have emerged as one of the top buyers on GEM platform. In the past 3 years, we have moved from procurement value of rupees 10 crores in fiscal year 2019 to 1200 crore plus in the current fiscal year. In fact, we were one of the 2 leading CPSC buyers in last fiscal year. How did we achieve this? Is a story in itself. Since the beginning, ONGC's focus has been to leverage the potential that GEM portal has in bringing down the lead time for procurement. In the past 1 year or so, we have got more than 200 specialized products categories created on GEM. Today, we can proudly say that majority of ONGC's centrally procured items are available through regular product categories on GEM. In the past 1 year, we have centrally procured about 1000 crores worth of specialized items alone, like casing pipes, tubings, line pipe, oil field chemicals, etc. The lead time for tenders have gone down remarkably. At corporate office itself, we are finalizing centralized tenders within a month. Thanks to the extensive reach of the GEM portal, we have also witnessed an increase in bidder participation, particularly when it comes to goods and services of general nature. Aligning our process with GEM, we have also converted majority of our rate contracts for centralized chemicals into 1-year purchase orders with staggered delivery. We have also done away with many redundant processes in line with philosophy of GEM. Reverse auction is particularly a feature which is seamless on GEM portal. ONGC also intends to work closely with GEM for ERP integration for making the user experience even more efficient. We have put in a dedicated team for implementation of GEM, which works closely with GEM official. We have 40 plus primary users and 800 plus secondary users across ONGC, from Cambay in west to Silchar in east, from Dehradun in north to Karakal in south. With a team of secondary users of young and dynamic officers led by Mr. Salimuddin, I am hopeful ONGC would be able to further enhance the procurement through GEM manyfold in times to come. On behalf of all ONGCN, we are thankful to GEM official for considering our request for changes in functionalities and timely intervention wherever required to resolve the issue on priority. Without their constant help and support, it would not have been possible to achieve what ONGC has done so far. Thank you, Team GEM. May GEM shines brighter.